अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नी हाओ, हेलो। अभी हम लोग यांगजो यूनिवर्सिटी के यांगजिजिन कैंपस पे खड़े हुए हैं और हमारे पीछे जो भीड़ देख रहे हैं वो कोई मामूली भीड़ नहीं बल्कि हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी का कल्चरल फेस्टिवल।
Un aplauso para mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron. Gracias mami por parirme aquí.
I am going to represent Pakistan. He is going to represent India. Today we are in Culture Festival 2026.
So as we can see, there are lots of stall here. We have counted, there are around 20 counters. So let's explore each counter one by one and we will see the reaction and we will learn about their culture. So let's come with me. This is from Comoros. Hello.
Korean
Okay.
special snacks. These are called bajia.
Is it a dish like you eat on normal days or like on some special
occasion.
special occasion like wedding and all?
Yes, wedding or maybe after Eid on Wednesday.
Eid day.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Bismillah.
Hi.
This one is like the base for I am from Pakistan and he is from
I'm
India.
from India.
India. Oh.
So what's the main ingredient in this?
Lentils.
Okay, lentils. So the problem is we have biryani at Pakistani stall and we don't want it to finish, so we are going like there in a hurry. तो हम लोग सारा चीज़ छोड़कर पाकिस्तान के स्टॉल में आए थे कि सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान के स्टॉल में जाएंगे क्योंकि वहाँ बिरयानी है, लेकिन भीड़ देख सकते हैं पीछे.
I think I need to go from the back side.
So we are trying to go from the back side. No,
Because of the special card we have, we will enter.
हाँ पाकिस्तान. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
क्या खाओगे?
Bro, this is biryani. This is chana chai.
हमने बिरयानी ले लिया बैक साइड से. पेट फुल होगा तो उसके बाद हम मेहनत करेंगे.
हम लोगों ने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था और सबसे पहला अटैक जो है हम लोगों ने बिरयानी पे किया.
Come here and test our foods.
Yeah.
Videos?
Yeah, we wanna like capture it properly.
We are taking. Scan the QR code.
So the next booth is Liberia. Let's see. Come. Hello, Justina. How are you?
I'm fine. This one's barbecue, this one's stew, this one is chicken, sausage and fish.
Okay.
And then our food is nice, it's crunchy, it's sweet.
This food is very tasty in your mother tongue.
Okay, you say afu suyo,
Afusio,
awafu suyo.
Awafusio.
Hi.
This is from Uzbekistan. I am personally, too excited for Uzbek pulao. Let's see if they have or not, and let's see if they are going to allow us for free or not. Hello, can I have a quick interview?
Okay.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Iroda.
So where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
So can you tell me something about your food?
It's like tough.
Okay.
It's like Chinese chow fan. Here it has like rice, meat.
So is it like something like you cook on wedding day or something like that, or something?
But yeah, special food we cook in the wedding for every like events.
Oh, okay.
It's our traditional food.
So can we like taste it or?
It's for teachers. It's like basically everyone orders.
It's for teachers.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can taste it. This one. It's
Okay.
named Suhawa.
Okay. What's the name?
Please give me your hand.
Okay. Thank you.
It's named Hawa. It's like kanji. It's so
Tasty.
sweet. Yeah, cheesecake.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
It's so sweet.
So how to say it's tasty in your language?
Как вкусно будет на узбекском? Как вкусно будет на узбекском?
What?
Juda mazali.
Juda mazali.
Да.
Okay. What is this?
Okay, this is oud. It's traditional in many Arab countries.
Okay.
So you just take the burning charcoal, you burn the charcoal, and then you keep the oud on top of the burning charcoal. Hello.
try food. Then you get free ice tea.
The line is too long.
Yeah, but this is free. This is free.
Oh, okay. So it's basically free. So that's why we have so much crowd here.
Hi guys, hi everyone. This is Moroccan seat. How you see? This is Moroccan music. Follow me to see Moroccan food. Follow me guys. Do you Moroccan food? Here we have the tagine, the Moroccan tagine, with chicken and sauce called gmira and with fries. And this one is the sweet thing. So this one is sweet, and this one is called bstela with fish. So and this one is called rafisa with chicken and the Moroccan bread called msimmel.
Is there anything for free?
Yeah, you can try this. Here's it.
Okay. Bro, can you all say hi to my audience?
Okay. Say hi.
In your language.
Welcome.
Okay. Can you teach me one sentence from your language? How to say it's so tasty? How to say it's so tasty in Darija?
بنيم بزاف.
What?
بنيم.
Hello. Have some food.
Unfortunately, it's finished now.
Finished. Okay. Can you tell me about these things?
Okay, you can see here is in Yemen, it's called jambia.
Okay.
The old people wear it for protection.
Okay.
So they put it usually here. There is a knife inside, small knife. If you are in danger, you can use it. Small status for Babul Yemen. It's 1,000 year old. It's in Sana'a.
Okay. Is there any history related to this?
Actually, most of the history here is related to Islamic history. You know Ali ibn Abi Talib?
Yeah, I know that.
He came from Medina. Our Prophet Muhammad sent him to Yemen, to the city, to build the mosque there. Also, you know, jewelry. This is like a ring here.
So this is for male, female, or both?
This is usually for male.
Okay.
So have a look there. There is a place, a Yemeni place there. Hello, marhaba. Welcome to Yemen, Habibi. Come to Yemen.
Our Yemeni brother told, like they have another part here also. So let's explore this part also. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام برو هاو ار يو يبغى تشرح لي عن الثقافه حقنا قول لي
So this is I am going to taste. Let's see how it is. Thank you.
Jazakallah brother. India. I already have this. Okay. So
It's good.
So this is the beauty of this culture festival. In one hand I have Yemeni tea, and on the other hand I have Moroccan. So see, this is the beauty of this cultural festival.
This is good kahwa.
Hello.
What?
So what's this? Can you tell me something?
I cannot explain anything.
Okay, what about this?
Just some sort of bread, flat bread.
Okay. Can I taste?
You can take it.
What are the ingredients? What are the ingredients?
It's not. I'm not the one who cooked this. No, it's just like bread, like flour, water, bread.
So how to say it's very delicious in your language? In your mother tongue.
Öteye damda. Öteye
Voce
damda.
damda.
Öte damda.
Voce damda. Okay, say hi to my YouTube family.
Hello, Nabil's YouTube family. Woo!
Take a picture. What? Finally, we reached to our Indian stall, and let's see what we have from Indian stall. Come here. Hello, bro. So basically, I'm shooting a vlog for my YouTube channel, and I'm also from India. So you know me? Really? Oh wow. So what we have today in the menu?
Actually, everything is gone now, but
Everything is gone.
yeah. but I can show you what we are selling. Gulab jamun. For the non-veg, we have chicken cutlets.
Can I try now? There is nothing. There is nothing.
Finish.
No problem. No problem. So I have one question from you. So why you have like written Sharab? What's this?
Sharab ki gaddi.
Sharab ki gaddi. What's the story behind this?
We can't explain this story.
Why?
It's secret.
आप कहाँ से?
इंडिया से भी पर मैं स्टॉल संभाल नहीं रहा हूँ.
It will increase our GDP. So we make
Sharab is going to increase our GDP.
Everything is this world have a different taste like beer. If you
So
enjoy,
we have, what is this? Mehendi tattoo?
yeah,
What's
this is manly. If you wanna try, we can.
Is there anything for male?
Male.
Male.
Just like the tattoo. We can have picture.
For males, we have friendship.
So does it have any like side effects?
No.
No. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Where in India?
India from Lucknow.
Lucknow. So basically I am from India too and I belong to Bihar. Yeah.
Like UP Bihar.
UP Bihar. Yeah, we are safe. UP and Bihar are safe. अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई. जय है.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आप सुनाए?
बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब खैरियत है. वो चाय बट रही है.
ये पाकिस्तानी चाय है.
पाकिस्तानी चाय है.
Just like इंडिया में मसाला चाय होता है, इसी तरह पाकिस्तान में ब्लैक टी होता है.
Okay, can you give me a quick tour of your stall? Like what's the preparation for this?
We have biryani,
Okay.
tea, burgers,
Okay.
and these kind of things you can cover.
Enough.
Yeah. Mehndi,
Yeah. Shukriya. Hello, bro.
Hello.
So we are basically shooting a video for YouTube. So can I have like quick tour of your stall?
Here is shamai, this is korma pulao, and there is dal, there is padishapta, and they're distributing bread roll, snacks. Yeah.
This all are snacks, I
These all are snacks.
Is it like for free or paid?
Totally free.
Can I taste something? Like I wanna taste some sweets. Is it sweet or? So what's the name of this?
Bread roll.
Bread roll. So basically we also have same thing, similar thing in India and Pakistan. तो हमारे साथ हमारे सीनियर नासिम भाई है और हम इनसे पूछते हैं कि इनको कैसा लगा और इनका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. फर्स्ट टेल मी योर नेम एंड नेशनैलिटी.
My name is Nasim and I'm from Bangladesh.
So what from Bangladesh stall? Which is the like best stall ever?
I like basically first Yemeni.
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 What specifically?
Outside they arrange so many things.
Option. If you have to rate from 1 to 10, how would you rate?
Overall 8 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So we have teacher with us. So hello teacher, ni hao.
Hello.
So I want to ask you one thing. Like if you have to give one message to all the students who participated today, what would you?
Enjoy your time, have more communication, talk with different people from different country, enjoying different culture, different habit, different tradition from different place.
So like which among the all stalls, which one is your favorite today?
My favorite, everyone is my favorite actually. Just want to say, come to Yangzhou University, meet Cultural Expo and meet all around the world.
Okay, thank you. ये रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे पाकिस्तान बूथ का, तो इनसे हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा आज का.
सबसे पहले बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम. एक्सपीरियंस तो बड़ा ज़बरदस्त रहा. हमारे जितने भी कंट्रीमेट्स थे उन सब ने बहुत को अच्छा मतलब कोऑपरेशन बड़ी अच्छी थी सबकी. इसके अलावा जो टीम मेंबर्स थे उनकी भी कोऑपरेशन अच्छी थी और बाकी और भी कंट्रीज थे तो जो लोग मेहमान आ रहे थे सब ने बहुत एंजॉय किया. और पर्सनली अगर मैं बताऊं तो मैंने खुद भी बहुत एंजॉय किया है लोगों के साथ.
तो एक क्वेश्चन, अपार्ट फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, which one among all the stalls is your favorite one?
My favorite actually I would say Indonesia. Because it was next to us and like they were good neighbors. I would say that's why.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your.